Today we're gonna make clear slime. So yeah, let's get started. So the things we'll be needing is a container to mix in. I'm using a plastic clear container. Something to mix with. I'm using a fork. Some PVA glue. Make sure your glue contains PVA. I'm using this Chindi brand water glue. Has to be clear glue because if you use white glue, your slime won't turn clear. So, and your slime activator, I'm using dynamo. You can use any type of slime activator. So yeah, let's get started. So first we're gonna take our container and we're gonna pour our glue. Oh my god. So we're gonna slowly pour in the glue. So I don't want too many like bubbles, so I'm gonna pour it as slowly. So yeah, I'm gonna just pour this in there. Oh, okay. Oh my god. So yeah. So wait a second. Where's the? So I've got my clear glue in this. Just put a thing so you can't really see my glue. So then we're gonna pour our slime activator. I recommend not the slime activator pour it, but just pour a little bit. Then you're gonna take your utensil and just slowly stir. I'm just gonna stir as slow as possible. You see it's turning slime. You can also order slime with any Instagram person. Some people really sell slime activator, like, so you can go and buy with them. So yeah, I don't know what happened to my light, but something went wrong, but we don't care about that, right? So yeah, so I got my slime. You see it's super slimy right now. Oh my gosh, it doesn't have that much of air bubbles because we stirred it slowly. So now our sticky part is we have to play with the slime for a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna like hold the slime like what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna just do the process until it doesn't stick. So yeah, you can actually add food coloring before you add your slime activator, but I want my slime to be blue because my slime activator is already blue, so I don't want to add any food coloring or something. So yeah. So yeah, then I put it in this like board container, my clear slime, so the air bubbles will kind of go fast, so I don't have to wait for a long time. So I put it in there. If you see, you can see that. So yeah, if you do enjoy this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.